Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can easily add a new currency in BigCommerce. So let's start. First, what you want to do, you want to be on a dashboard in BigCommerce and then just click here on Store Setup. On Store Setup you are going to have currencies. Click on it. And now you are going to have here allow shoppers to purchase in their currency, add new currency. So straight away you can choose, I don't know, USD, US dollar. Okay, next. In which countries is going to be optional? I don't know. Transaction currency will be charged in USD. Must set a payment provider that supports this currency, of course. Exchange rate. Set the exchange rate to auto-correct your prices and shipping quotes. So you can go like increase it to, I don't know, 1.3. It's really up to you what you're gonna use. Currency display, and again you can choose what kind of, how it's going to be displayed. And yeah, that's kind of it. So this is how you can add a different currency for BigCommerce. Thank you very much everybody for watching. I hope you're going to have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.